Hello, my name's Mrs Murray and I'm from the Okehampton Art Department. I'm here to talk to you about GCSE textiles. You might not know about textiles and art textiles, as I know it's technology based when you're in years 7, 8 and 9. However, at GCSE it's brought into the art department and we complete an art textiles GCSE course. Our sixth form art room, which you might think is just for sixth form, is actually a dedicated textiles room. Within that room we have enough sewing machines for everybody in the class, and we have lots of different equipment to take you through the 2-year course for GCSE textiles. The course consists of 60% coursework. You will be given 2 sketchbooks at the start of the course, along with the offer of an art pack with the tools you might need to take you through the course. Within the sketchbook, we look at a variety of different techniques. We ask you to look at designers and textile artists, and that is the contextual part of the course. So there is a small written element to the course. We just like you to study artwork, look at designers and understand their work so it can take you through the sketchbook. The second part is making samples and experimenting, surface design, printing, working into fabrics, manipulating fabrics. We talk you through all of these techniques which you've probably not used before. We ask you to get inspired by artists and designers that you looked at previously in your sketchbook. When you've done these samples, you're able to understand what you really enjoy doing, and this takes you through to your design work. Your design work takes you through to a final piece for the whole project. You do this twice, so your 60% coursework will consist of 2 sketchbooks. I hope you can look at the slideshow attached to this to understand the work and have a look at what other people have done previously. The exam is absolutely nothing to worry about. In the January of year 11, you're given an exam paper. There's 8 questions, and by that time you really understand what you enjoy doing, so you're able to pick one of those 8 questions to produce a sketchbook between the January and the April. In the April, you have a 10-hour controlled test. It goes over 2 or 3 days. The beauty of the exam is that between the January and April, you would have done a sketchbook of work leading up to this exam. You can even design the final piece that you're going to do in that 10 hours. Us as teachers can support you in that and help you to understand what will work in that 10-hour period. So you'll come out with a final piece within that 10 hours, and that will be 40% of your final grade. Please don't hesitate to contact me or email me if you have any questions of the course. But if you have a look at the slideshow, hopefully it'll give you more of an understanding of what the course entails.